हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू यूनिवर्सिटी ज्ञान। मेरा नाम है साकेत सिन्हा। In this video, friends, we will be discussing about the two most important notification what has been released, one by MCC and another one by KEA. As you can see, friends, MCC ने अपना जो काउंसलिंग का शेड्यूल है, जो फर्स्ट राउंड ऑफ नीट पीजी काउंसलिंग का शेड्यूल है, दैट हैज बीन पोस्टपोन्ड, उसको पोस्टपोन्ड कर दिया है। इसमें ये जो आप MCC का देख रहे हैं, इसमें सबसे पहले MCC ये बोलता है कि PWD पोर्टल, द जनरेशन फॉर PWD सर्टिफिकेट्स फॉर PWD कैंडिडेट्स हैज बीन एक्सटेंडेड टिल 5 p.m. of 8th of November. 5 p.m. of 8th of November, they have extended the generation of PWD certificates. The implication for this is कि at least by 8th of November, the choice locking is not going to start. It is not going to start. This is for sure. Now, MCC has also come up for the reasons behind this extension. उन लोगों ने reasons भी बताए हैं for this extension. Let us discuss about the reasons for that extension what the MCC has told. देखिए MCC in its notification, this is the notification what they have published. So in this notification, the MCC has provided with the reasons for the extension of the schedule. The major reason for the extension of the schedule, what they say is कि it is for the information of the candidate that competent authority has extended the choice filling till further notice, as this is the most important thing what you need to understand, as the seat matrix has to be revised. As the seat matrix has to be revised. As the seat matrix has to be revised due to the information received by NMC. This is the thing. Now, in the revision of the seat matrix, the question what arises here is कि whether this 2,337 seats will be included in round 1 of the counseling itself. This is the major question what needs to be answered. The interpretation can vary from person to person, but only time will answer this question कि whether this 2,337 seats will be added in round 1 itself or not. The second major point what they have said is the withdrawal of DNB seats. Withdrawal of 169 DNB seats. 169 PG की DNB seats को उन्होंने withdraw किया है. Friends, the updated seat matrix will be published very soon on the MCC website. As soon as the updated seat matrix comes, we will be informing you regarding that. The second most important update is from KEA side. KEA का भी एक update आया है. KEA ने अपने नोटिफिकेशन में, जो नोटिफिकेशन उन लोग का आज ही आया है, KEA अपने नोटिफिकेशन में ये बोलता है कि they have extended the date for document verification. As you can see this notification of KEA, they have extended the date for document verification. Initially, the document verification was scheduled till 6th of November. Now they have extended it to 10th of November. 10th of November तक इन्होंने एक्सटेंड कर दिया है, जिसमें क्लॉज B, C, D, E, F, G और Z. क्लॉज Z का इंप्लीकेशन होता है फ्रेंड्स NRI. दो स्टूडेंट्स हु आर क्लेमिंग NRI कैटेगरी, दे कम अंडर क्लॉज Z. क्लॉज Y के जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, दे नीड नॉट अपीयर फॉर डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन. इट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी फॉर देम टू अपीयर फॉर डॉक्यूमेंट वेरिफिकेशन. बट इफ यू हैव अप्लाइड अंडर क्लॉज Z, दैट इज यू आर क्लेमिंग NRI ward, so it is mandatory for you to appear for document verification. The second thing is you need to do the slot booking. The booking of slot is required for document verification. So due to some reasons, if you have missed the document verification, then it is advisable for you to kindly utilize this opportunity what has been given by the KEA and do the document verification by booking your slot. If you are not appearing for document verification, friends, you will not be able to download the claim slip and you will not be able to do the option entry. KEA की जो seat matrix है वो भी friends बहुत ही जल्दी फाइनलाइज होने वाली है. इट इज सपोज टू कम इन डे और टू. लेट अस चेक वेदर इट हैज कम और नॉट. It was supposed to come in day or two because almost the seat matrix has been finalized. The seat matrix has not yet come. It has not yet come. So as soon as the seat matrix and the updated fee structure of the KEA comes, we will be updating you regarding the same. तो ये था फ्रेंड्स हमारा वीडियो regarding the most important two updates of MCC and KEA. अगर हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो हमारे वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा और हमारे चैनल यूनिवर्सिटी ज्ञान के साथ बने रहिए for all the latest updates regarding NEET PG 2025 counseling. Thank you friends.